This is killing me, it's been on my mind. Can't believe it's been